Tender fish, elegant finish, all in one parchment wrap. Here are 2 foolproof wrapping tricks every home cook should know. Start with a large square of parchment paper. Go bigger than you think you need. Brush the paper with some oil, then place your fish fillet right in the center, then add your vegetables around it. Now gather all 4 corners of the parchment above the food. Twist all corners together in one big twist and tie with kitchen string, forming a purse. This creates a sealed balloon around your fish. Beautiful presentation. Great for a dinner party. Roll the fish and vegetables in a log shape, like a burrito. Then twist both ends and tie with cooking twine. Now your parcels are ready for the oven. Carefully transfer the puffed parcel to your plate. Cut open at the table for that dramatic steam release moment. Perfectly cooked fish, tender vegetables, all elegantly presented. Now it's time to impress.